Hey, sixth graders. This week is the week of April 26th through the 30th. And we are going to be having a test this week. So on Monday, we're going to have a live Google Meet at 10:45. And I strongly suggest you attend this Google Meet if you're a distance learner, because we're going to be correcting the study guide and doing some review activities. And it's at this time that I can answer questions and make sure that you're prepared for the test. So we're going to start off by correcting the study guide. If you click on this link right here, it will bring you to the study guide answer key, which won't be activated until Monday, but it'll be on there. And then on the second link is some test review activities. So if you're in class, we'll review these together. If you're unable to make the Google Meet, these are all some different games and stuff that you can use to prepare. I strongly suggest doing the 2 whole test review activities first, the Quizlet and the Quizzes. If you can do these ones, particularly this Quizzes, and you can answer those questions multiple times and get them right, you will be prepared for your test, okay? If there are specific things that you think you need some more review on, density, physical and chemical properties, or physical and chemical changes, then you can do any of these games as well. On Tuesday, we are going to be having the test to start class. The test, if you are a distance learner, does need to be taken between the hours of 8 and 3 because I'll have GoGuardian on the whole time so that I can kind of see when you're taking it. You cannot use any notes on the test or any other resources while you are taking it. You shouldn't have any other tabs open on your Chromebook either while you're taking it. So that's the first thing you'll do. And then the second thing is starting this 1.4 vocabulary slideshow. We'll be starting this after the test Tuesday and then finishing it on Wednesday. So it doesn't all need to be done in one day. So what you'll do here is you're going to make a copy of the slideshow, and I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. There's a vocabulary term on each slide. I'm going to make the copy because it takes a little bit of time sometimes. All right. So on each slide of the slideshow, there's a vocabulary term. What you're going to do is you're going to write the definition of the word. You should use your textbook, pages 52 to 62, to find the definition. And I will link that online textbook here in case you don't have it. Do not use Google to look up the definitions, okay? What will happen if you use Google to look up the definitions is you'll get some definitions that either aren't the correct one for what we're looking for, or are too high of a level that you won't understand what that means. So you're going to find them in your textbook or there'll be a linked slideshow here as well. You also need to have a picture of an example of each term. So I'd like you to try to take a picture of something that's an example of this that you either have in your house or at school or somewhere. If not, you can find an example online and you can put it in. Then be creative, change backgrounds and colors on your slideshow, and then you'll submit it as a Google resource when you are finished. So this is what the slideshow looks like, maybe. All right, and it just has words on each slide. And there's 2 boxes, one box for your definition and another box for you to put your picture on, okay? And there's quite a few words. So that's what we are working on after the test and on Wednesday. On Wednesday, during our live Google Meet, we will also go through and process the test and I'll answer questions and talk about the possibility of a retake. On Thursday, we're going to do some notes. So we have 1.4 notes, and the notes are in the form of a flowchart. And then we're going to do the lesson review on pages 62 and 63 of the textbook. So the notes and flowchart is right here. So you'll make a copy of the flowchart and you'll use this slideshow to fill in the flowchart as you go. Submit a copy of your flowchart when you are finished. If you're a distance learner, if you're an in-class learner, I'll just look at it in class. And then the lesson review as well for distance learners, just like we've been doing, you'll finish it and then you'll take a picture and submit it on here so I can check it. It's pages 62 to 63 of your textbook. All right. They're also right here if you need to do it on a sheet of paper. Then on Friday, we are going to do the digital lesson for 1.4. We're kind of out of order this week, but that's okay. And all students will do this electronically this time. And you will click on the link for the digital lesson. go to your My document and fill it in as you do the digital lesson. Make sure you submit it when you're done. So that is what we are doing this week. So let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing you guys at the Google Meets. Bye.